for the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I make it so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me, I don't date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot headlock. Fast light, don't stop at the red light.
Hey y'all, that's why I drive at night, man, so I can do shit like this for y'all. But y'all want me to goddamn record shit in the daytime when 12 be hot. That's what y'all like to see, ain't it? Boy, I was just glitching just then. Boy, I thought my car was going straight, but I forgot this shit low. As y'all see, I'm not in track mode. Might be too windy for y'all. Let me let the windows up. Forgot. I be forgetting. I'm changing these gears, gang. I'm trying to do it with one hand. That shit crazy. Hey, don't y'all trip about that road, man. I take that road every day home. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much know how that road go for real, for real. With my eye closed. Yeah, ghetto. I be going crazy, man. Can't let y'all see where I stay. Let y'all hear, and that's just ain't gonna be too windy. Yeah, I'll be popping, even without track mode. Oh, I got a video dropping for y'all too, with me driving in track mode, man. Y'all be patient. I'm trying to drop these for y'all. You feel me? Do this all the time. I come home, I need to chill out. Yes, sir. I gotta get me some brakes too, man. My junk be squeaking a little bit sometimes. Yeah, my shit be squeaking sometimes, bro. That's without eco mode. Hey, man, look. Can y'all drop down below some bolt-on exhaust pipes? Like, I want my junk. I want some what they call that junk? Cat's back. Like, I want a full bolt-on exhaust. I don't want to do no welding. I want to take these off and add them. You know what I'm saying? I get tired of that rattling, man. Right there. I don't know what it is, man. I went to the guy and he put some old hangers, but it's nothing that you can really weld it to under the car. You know what I'm saying? Listen. Bruh, that junk be embarrassed. I be cutting my car off quick. Then it stopped. Yeah, that's crazy, gang. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. You know what I'm saying? I could do that more often, but it was wet outside, so, you know, I couldn't really go crazy. You know what I'm saying? But I'll catch y'all next video.